It's for days like today. If I was an NVIDIA holder, I am protected. Be careful on NVIDIA right here. You guys are all rolling onto a ginormous double bottom, right?
Exactly.
In fact, I'm going to put this up on the big screen. Yeah, right here. You can see it was at 122.70. So anywhere around this area, this is a bounce. Anywhere around 123 is a bounce. So be careful, right?
Yes, sir.
NVIDIA down 13.5% today. Listen, this is why I always tell you guys, right? We take our money. We don't need to hold that overnight, obviously, if you're into some sort of swing. The other thing that I always talk about, and I swear I'm the only one that's even saying it out here. By the way, I've been doing this 33 years. I've watched every TikToker, YouTube personality, every person ever do this. I have never, ever heard one time ever anybody talking about if you guys are holding long-term trades to hedge that by having some puts or vice versa the others. I have never heard another soul ever say that on long positions to hedge and protect. It's for days like today. If I was an NVIDIA holder, I am protected with that insurance that I paid, which was covered calls. I collected premiums. And if I hold, I always have puts, don't I?
Use the money from the covered calls to buy the puts.
That's right. And now you're in a spread. But don't I say it every day, 4 days like today? But I have never, ever, not one time, ever heard anybody else ever say it before, which is crazy. And that tells you why you guys are in the right place at the right time. Appreciate you. Love your faces. Alex, you got your hand up. Go ahead.